G'day hobby friends. Today I've got a box of the pre-order for North Star's new set of miniatures automatons for Stargrave. Here they are. Let's have a look. So what do we have? We have the Death Vector book. Another beautiful book. As always, they've got the awesome illustrations. I've had a quick flick already. Some great scenarios in there and some pretty cool new rules. Also here, an invitation for the painting competition for North Star for the new automatons. And then these look pretty cool. We've got here a dice. I didn't know I was getting a dice. 20-sided dice. Then it looks like two metal automatons already. So like a bug-eyed dude. This is like a helmeted guy. They're both pretty cool. Got this cyber serpent snake thing. Which is part of the bestiary, I suppose, for the North Star. And we got this, basically a Hulk or a Ogren for Stargrave kind of deal. He's pretty cool. Not really sure how he's going to attach. Let's trim that up a bit. Yeah, he's pretty chunky. Limited edition, I believe, with the pack. Got the other bestiary. Now, I believe this is an interim selection for Stargrave because they're working on some other miniatures for it, but these are pretty cool. Got this robot boy here, tall and slender, some sort of gun on his arm, some sort of creepy gaunch character. Some sort of frog with teeth. That's pretty cool. It's cyber wolf. Alien dog thing. Dinosaur tortoise thing with spikes. He's pretty cool. And this is some sort of praying mantis creature with all these little spindly legs. It'll be fun to put together. No doubt. A big, giant, scary bat of some kind. It's pretty cool. It'll be a bit of fun. I haven't worked much with assembling metal models in a couple of decades, so that's going to be fun. What else do we have here? We've got the scavenger sprue bonus sets that have come with it. Oh, an arm's just fallen off there, but that's okay. Got the male scavengers kit here. The usual set. Oh, this is the women. Sorry. Stargrave scavenger women. Yeah, that's it. Oh, they got some cool stuff on here. We have a chick with a mohawk head. Some cool little axe hands. Bodies with boobs, as it were. Oh, I like this grenade launcher, multi-part grenade launcher. Some cool heads too. And then we have here, the Stargrave template kit. Yeah, ordered that too. That's pretty cool. It's cool. And then of course, the big cheese. Automatons. Or automatons. However it is. Let's pull out a sprue because they're all the same. I've been looking forward to these guys. Look at them. They're glorious. I've got to say, these Stargrave miniatures are only getting better. Something else I just noticed, I've got some cool little spider boys. I thought they were weird heads, but they're actually spiders. You get three of these, like, cyborg spiders. That's very cool. I'm going to use them for all sorts of things. Loving the attached arms. They're like a flamer. It's pretty cool. What else do we have here? I reckon the best three heads are these. I've been looking forward to this dude with the weird mask. This guy here with the eye slits. And then there's Bane looking character over here. He looks pretty mean. I must put him on as a Space Marine head. Nice. All the attachments and the arms. Brilliant! So that's what comes with the pre-order deal for the Stargrave automatons. I think I'll have a video out very shortly of me painting up a couple of those. I hope you've enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more.